In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to basically connect GoHighLevel to WordPress. We'll start by getting everything ready on both sides. First, sign in to your GoHighLevel sub-account. At the same time, make sure your WordPress site is already set up and that you can edit the page or post where you want the form to appear. Having both dashboards open will make this quick and smooth. Inside GoHighLevel, head to the Sites section. This is where your web assets live, including forms. From there, open Forms and then choose Builder. We're going to create a fresh form you can embed on your WordPress page. Click Add Form, and then click Create to start a new form. Give your form a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later. A good name reflects the page or purpose, which helps when you're managing multiple forms or sharing access with a team. Now edit the form to include the information you need. As an example, drag in the address field so you can capture location details from your visitors. This is also the moment to fine-tune labels, set fields as required if needed, and adjust basic styling so the form feels consistent with your site's look. Keep it simple and focused. Shorter forms typically convert better, and you can always come back and improve them after you've collected a bit of data. When your form looks right, it's time to connect it to WordPress. Click Integrate, then choose Embed Code. You'll see a snippet designed to load your form anywhere you paste it. Click Copy Embed Code. This code pulls the live form from GoHighLevel, which means any future edits you make in the builder will automatically update on your website without you pasting a new code. Switch to your WordPress dashboard and open the page or post where you want the form to appear. In the editor, add a custom HTML block. Paste the embed code into that block, then save your changes by clicking Update or Publish. Preview your page to confirm the form loads correctly. If it doesn't appear right away, clear your site or browser cache and refresh. Also double-check that you pasted the entire code into the HTML block, not a paragraph block. That's it. You've created a GoHighLevel form, copied the embed code, and placed it on your WordPress site using a custom HTML block. From here, monitor submissions inside GoHighLevel and tweak your fields or design as needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.